Oh, hi. My name is Karen Martin, and I'm your instructor for Music 457, Music for Older Adults. I'm going to take you on a musical journey down memory lane. I come from a musical family, and I'm also interested in genealogy. And I discovered last year that my great-grandfather, who emigrated from Austria to Pennsylvania, was a concert violinist, and that he also performed in Austria. Well, maybe that's why my family got me started on violin when I was 7 years old. Another fun fact about me is that I grew up in Culver City, which is where all the movie studios are, and my violin teacher was in the studio orchestra for The Man from U.N.C.L.E. Well, later in elementary school, I discovered the auto harp, and I liked it so much that I saved my money and bought my own. Then I graduated to clarinet, and then later in high school to oboe. And finally in college, I taught myself the guitar, which is what we're going to use for our class. So you may notice that I like to dress up for my classes. And this is my Austrian costume. So I am Maria von Trapp. That's one of my bucket list items, is to take the Sound of Music tour in Salzburg, Austria, and also maybe meet some of my relatives. So guess what? In our class this semester, we are going to have a Sound of Music sing-along. So get ready for that. That's a little bit about me. Now I'd like to learn more about you along with your classmates. They'd also like to meet you. So I'd like you to go now to my orientation module, upload a picture of yourself, and then post a discussion with some fun facts about you. I look forward to singing with you this semester.